we're calling Cristin Stackles because she says that she is shoveling, and we can clearly see by looking out the window Cristin is not shoveling. Hello? What'd you say?
I'm gonna shovel my truck out. What are you doing?
You said you've been shoveling for like a half an hour, and we're looking at
Oh, I haven't. I know. I'm gonna go. I'm starting it now.
we're looking at your house, and we don't see you.
I'm coming out right now.
All right.
Can you see me?
No.
Oh my God! It's so bad out.
I don't see you. Oh wait, is that you?
Yeah.
Oh, well, when are you gonna start shoveling?
Alexis is going to get the shovel. I got plastic bags in my shoes.
Okay, good. You know what's really funny?
What?
I have plastic bags in my shoes too!